Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video, we are going to talk about UCEED exam. What is it? How the syllabus works? What you have to complete to prepare for this exam? What is exam pattern? What kind of questions will come? Marking scheme and everything we'll learn. Also colleges, most importantly, why you should give UCEED exam. So firstly, what is UCEED? UCEED is a undergraduate common entrance exam for design, and it is conducted by IIT Bombay. IDC means Industrial Design Center in IIT Bombay, and this body IIT Bombay IDC from IIT Bombay conducts this exam every year for undergraduation program, and you do bachelors of design. You get colleges of bachelors of design from this exam. And about the colleges, I have already talked in my other video of top entrance exam of top design entrance exams and their colleges. I'll give the link in the description. You can watch that video as well. And I have also made other video on b.design and m.design in IIT. So you can watch that video. You will get much better idea. So what is the eligibility criteria for UCEED exam? So you should be 10+2 passed out, or you should have passed your any diploma from 3-year diploma which from a AICET approved college. Then you will be eligible for this exam. You can be from any of the stream, that can be either science, so that can be science, commerce or arts, from any stream, but you should be passed out from a 10+2 background. But the main colleges are IIT Bombay, IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, IIT DM. Then you have Lovely Professional University, Symbiosis University, Srishti School of Arts and Design, and many more government and private institutions which allot you the seats by the marks of your UCEED score. And for IIT Guwahati, you have to be from PCM science background. This is the only thing with IIT Guwahati, but other colleges you are eligible with your arts and commerce background. So that and you have one IIIT, that is IIIT Department of Manufacture in Jabalpur. So these are the major IIT colleges, and you get other colleges as well. Please check out my other video. For that I'll give you the link in the description. And these are the important dates to remember for UCEED exam. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, guys. So application forms will be available from October, and last date will be around November, and they will give you 1 week extra time to pay the fine and pay the application. And exams will happen in January, and results will be out in March, and after that there will be counseling. Then what topics you have to study for this UCEED exam? So it is a design based exam, so you should study visualization, you should have good observation skill, you should have analytical and logical reasoning, and you should have environmental and social awareness, design thinking and problem solving. These kind of stuffs you need to understand. And basically observation, visualization and analytical reasoning are very important, and you will be having a drawing part in it. So you have to practice drawing, like basic drawings. That will be very helpful for you to clear this exam, and you are getting colleges like IIT, so you can do this. And it's basically studying all the aptitude based questions, okay, at the end of the day. So how you think about it is what they want to know from this exam. We'll see that also in upcoming video. Please watch the video till the end, guys. Then we will be having the type of question paper will be, questions will be, there will be 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A you will be having questions. First type is called as NAT, that is numerical answer type based questions. Second type is called as MSQ, multiple select type questions. Then third choice is called as MCQ. Third part is called as MCQ, multiple choice question, as you know it. And all these contains negative marking, okay. Sometimes what happens every year, UCEED exam comes with own explanation. So sometimes some part may not have your negative marking, sometimes some part will have your negative marking. But usually what happens, they will give you first one for 3 marks and point minus For usually it will happen like this: 4 marks for right answer, and -1 for wrong answer in MCQ type, and 3 marks for right answer, and around minus 0.8 marks for every wrong answer in NAT. And MSQ, it depends like what will be the multiple selection options, like that. And for drawing part, of course, there will be no negative marking, but you have to draw well, like logically you have to think how they have given and all that. So let's understand what is NAT means. Numerical answer based questions means your answer should come in numbers. So whatever my question can be like, how many faces are in this cube? So I'll say there are 6 faces, total entire faces. How many colors? My answer is again 6 colors, because cube, that complete cube will have. Then sometimes it may happen, how many squares are in it. So you will calculate all those tiny squares, and you will give its answer. And so in one they are this much, then you will multiply it with 6, then whatever number you will get, you will write that number. Sometimes it can be like, what is the total surface area of this cube, okay, like this. Or what is the area of area of topmost face in the cube. So any answer you will get the answer in the numbers. You have to give that number as your answer. So this type of questions have many, they'll be having many vice versa questions, like many logical reasoning in it, many, like they can be like they can give you so many triangles and all, and they'll ask how many triangles in this. You remember those analytical sort of questions? Such kind of questions will be in numerical answer type questions. So basically what it means is your answer should be in numerical type, that is any number should be your answer. Then multiple select questions is like, one question may have, they will be given you options, but and that you have many, like there can be number of options which are right, and you have to select them all, whichever are the right options. So example for this is like, in which state does the river Kaveri flows? So there are options like this: Maharashtra, Karnataka, solid, Tamilnadu, liquid, Uttar Pradesh. So if states you suddenly get in your mind, okay, which state like this, but when you think of the state, okay, this river flows in Karnataka and this river flows in Tamil Nadu, but they have also given another kind of option, 3 states of the gases. So it flows in a liquid state, right? So even liquid becomes the right answer. So answer can be B, C, E, that is, it flows in Karnataka state, it flows in state of Tamil Nadu, and it flows in liquid state. So you are getting like this type of reasoning you have to do for this exam, okay. So MCQ type questions, as usually you know, like they will be given you general awareness questions and all these, like what are the logo of different company, and they'll give you 4 options and you have to select out of it, and it will be, all of these will be having negative marking as per the question paper. And for drawing, they'll be given some reason, like relatable reasoning drawing or imagination. There can be imagination like a child is sleeping, he will dream of playing with the bananas and the apples in the garden. So how will you draw banana? You will give a character to your apple and banana. You will make its legs and its face and everything. So such type of logical reason wise you have to draw. Or sometimes they'll give you direction, sun is rising, and they'll give you timing, and they'll see you what you can think of, like what happens in this time around, like this. So read the drawing question very well, and try to draw accordingly. So this is how all about your UCEED exam. Hope I covered the most of the topics, and number of questions will be, it is a 400 usually. Number of questions will be depends on the question paper. Sometimes there will be 18 NAT questions, sometimes there will be 20. So like this, numbers vary usually, and but this is how the pattern goes, okay. And drawing will be of 100 marks, and So you will in and around it will be around 400 marks question paper, and you will get other different kind of selection options for your B design in private colleges, but in IITs only IIT Guwahati has that option, and other IITs are like they will give you programs with special schemes and they will give you a sandwich program option. By that I mean they will give you 3 B design plus M design course with 5 years. So you can even opt for that with the specialization in doing in M design and learning basics in the B design period. So hope I covered my topic, and if you gained enough information, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and in case you get any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. But please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video with your friends. Thank you.